Today in word study, we are going to look at the suffixes tion and sion, which both say shun. Remember, a suffix is a part of a word that comes at the end of a word to give it a new word and a new meaning. So tion and sion means the act of something. It changes a verb into a noun. When there is a silent E, it is dropped from the verb. Again, both of these suffixes say shun. So you are going to watch this video.
Today
and
we
then you will complete this page. So our pattern word list is 1, decoration. In the parentheses is the base word. So decorate is our base word where the suffix shun was added onto, and it means the act of making something more attractive or decorating. 2, admiration. The base word is admire. The act of feeling fond of something or someone or something, or the act of admiring. 3, subtraction, which you're going to give me the definition for. 4, addition. Base word is add. The act of combining two numbers or adding. 5, education. Educate is the base word. You will give me the definition for that. 6, confusion. Confuse is the base word. Here you will give me the definition. 7, tension. Tense is the base word. The act of feeling tense or stressed. 8, extension. Extend is the base word that our suffix was added to. And here you will give me the definition. 9, discussion. Discuss is our base word. Here you will write the definition. And 10, erosion. And erode is our base word. Again, you're going to give the definitions of these words with the suffixes tion or sion added to them.